Hello, a warm welcome to everyone. I'm R.HariPriya, Assistant Professor, Department of Costume Design and Fashion. In this video, we are going to see about what is textile science. First, we go with the content, introduction to the field of textiles, classification of fibers, naturals and synthetic fibers. In the fiber classification, first we know to what is fibers. The introduction. The fibers for the traditional textiles uses in clothing, household goods and some technical applications are partially crystalline, partially oriented, linear polymers. Remarkably, they are only 6 chemical types: cellulosic protein, polyamide, polyester, polyvinyl, that is acrylic, and polyolefin, that is polypropylene. So now we're going to see the classification. So first one is, in the fiber classification there are two types. First one is natural fibers and man-made fibers. This is the major type. In the natural fiber we can split four types. First one is cellulosic or a plant fibers, which came from plants. Next one is animal fibers. It came from the animals. Third one is mineral fiber. It comes from the mineral particles of the nature. Fourth one is natural rubber. It is rubber material. In the cellulosic or plant fibers, we can split into four types. First one is seed or hair. Next one is bast hair. Third one is leaf fiber. Fourth one is nut husk. The first one is seed hair, which means it extracted from the seed part. It is cotton. Second one is bast hair. It is from the flax. Bast, which means the stem part. Third one is leaf fibers. Pineapple. We can extract it from pineapple leaves. Fourth one is nut husk, which is coir. Second one is natural fibers. Natural fibers, animal fibers. Animal fibers, which means from the extractions of the animals. First one is animal hair. We can extract the hair fibers from the animal skin and we can process it and we can find a product, that is wool. Second one is animal secretion. From the secretions of the animals, we can extract the fibers, that is silk. From the cocoons and from the secretion of the larvae, we can create the silk fibers. Third one is mineral fibers. Mineral fibers is asbestos. It is a mineral fiber. Fourth one is rubber. The rubber is a textile material. Second one is, in the second category, we can see the man-made fibers. The man-made cellulosic. The cellulosic, which means plant fiber. So it is extracted from the plants and those the chemicals are added and it is called as man-made cellulosic. It is rayon. Second one is man-made modified cellulosic. It is acetate. So there is some modification in the plant fibers. We can the chemicals we can create another fiber. It is acetate. Third one is man-made non-cellulosic. So there is no cellulosic, one and full. It is made up of chemicals and it is called as man-made non-cellulosic, that is nylon and polyester. Fourth one is man-made minerals. So it is from glass fibers. So the natural fibers has been split into four types. First one is plant or vegetable. Second one is animal. Third one is mineral. And fourth one is rubber. In this three categories, we are going to see what are all the fibers available. Plants or a vegetable, that is cellulosic. It is bast, which means it taken from the stem part, that is flax, hemp, jute, rami, kenaf. From the leaf part, we can extract three fibers: sisal, banana, abaca. From the seeds, we can extract four types: cotton, coir, oil palm, and kapok. From wood part, it is softwood and hardwood. Last is grass stem, reed, granary, grass, cereal straw, that is it extracted from the fibers, that is which was not used after the extraction of the eatable materials. Next, animal. Animal is wool and silk. Minerals, asbestos. So formation of the fibers, the cotton which is seconded only to polyester is world fiber usage. Forms in the seed of the cotton plants, although the perennial cotton is grown commercially as an annual part. Wool. A genetic control of the wool or a hair leads to even more complicated structures. The fibers growth from the follicles in the skins. They are composed of many elongated cells linked by a chain membrane complex which contains the peptides, different protein and lay down in a sequence all the cell growth. First come keratin molecules which in their central rods have a set characteristics 1A to L1, 1B, L12, 2A, L2 and 2B. This is a cross polymer structure sequence of amino acid residues. Silk, they are simpler protein blocks copolymer which from within gland cells and are all then extruded through the cell walls which act as a spinnerets. The process is manufactured fibers but within a important difference, virgin polymerization leads to a molecular assembly of extended chain that are not allowed to fold back into a disordered state. Control of the protein composition and the extrusion process leads to the diversity of the silk from the silkworm and spiders, which have a mechanical properties matched to the purpose. Regenerated fibers. In the 9th century, the efforts were made to regenerate the fibers from the waste cotton or a wood pulp. Wooding 2001. A variety of the routes involving chemical modifications of the cellulose were tried. Cellulose nitrate, nitrocellulose from a form a solution in alcohol and ethers, which can be extruded through the fire holes, that is spinnerates. In the Chardonnay process, the solvent evaporates in air dry spinning. The resulting fibers are inflammable and leads to a reconverted to cellulose. By forming a complex, cellulose will dissolve in a solution of a copper sulfate and an ammonia. Thank you.